Ea te mea nui o te ao. What is the most important thing in the world? He tangata, he tangata, he tangata. It's the people, it's the people.
The Restoring Connections coach helped me assert myself in a way that I really needed.
Restoring Connections has been the most practically helpful tool that I've found in learning how to navigate challenging conversations.
The gems we received immediately transferred into our own families, and that was exciting to watch.
I realised I need to take responsibility for my own heart response to things.
I realised that I do a lot of you, and one thing I learned was I tell you about me and you tell me about you. I learned that and I thought that was super helpful.
Having a personal mentor has been super helpful, helping me integrate what I've learned.
Through applying the principles, I can see a tangible change in our marriage.
It's how you approach it, how you can resolve it without getting angry. It's about kānui ki te kānui, face to face.
The lessons that we learnt there were not only beneficial to those that we work with, but a lot of these things that we were learning you can take into any relationship.
Life is pretty much going as well as your relationships.